Hello, darling. It's Jennifer from the patio. Literally from the patio. Welcome to Scraps and Thoughts Thursday, where our word today is the unexpected. So, I'm sure that you weren't expecting to come out on my patio today, but unfortunately, at about 1 o'clock this morning, I woke up with chills and body aches, and so I have been in bed all day long. But I have a slot to fill tomorrow, Thursday, for a video. So I thought, I need some fresh air. So I came out here on the patio and thought that I would just kind of chit chat with you for a minute. We could spend some time together. It won't be long. I don't feel that great, but I'm strong enough to sit out here and just spend some time with you. So the word unexpected, as you well know, life is unexpected. There are so many things in life that we don't anticipate, that we don't see coming, that we don't have any earthly idea what's around the corner. And so the unexpected happens. It's just like getting sick. It wasn't expected. This is my birthday week. I'll be 61 on Saturday. And I thought, we went last night to have dinner at a seafood restaurant, and I felt fine. I exercised yesterday. I felt fine. And then all of a sudden this morning, it just hit me, and I don't know what happened. But it was definitely unexpected. But, sometimes the unexpected happens in a junk journal too. When we're journaling and when we're, building our junk journal, sometimes you can have a positive, unexpected event or thing happen, and you can also have a negative. I've had many a time where I've, gotten paint on something that I didn't want paint on, or my stencil bled into something else, or maybe something ripped, or a pocket came off, or the glue isn't working. There's always an unexpected that happens, and it's okay. It's okay because we can't foresee it. If we take it too seriously, then we end up getting frustrated. So those things are just going to happen. And I've found through junk journaling that it's better to just embrace them. When something doesn't work out right, or you got some splotches where you didn't want them, or a pocket ripped, or a page tore, or whatever it may be, you just have to just go with it. Make it part of the journal. Fix it up so that it looks like it was meant to be that way. Or leave it just so that it's a reminder to you that sometimes things just happen. But then there's times where the unexpected is a very positive thing. You find just the right color. The labels look just perfect. The colors match. The envelopes fit the page perfectly. All of the paper when you're covering an envelope goes on well, and you're like, this is awesome. And even when you're filming, the unexpected happens. So many times with me. Bubba's favorite time is whenever the mailman comes, and so that's always even though I expect it, it's an unexpected, because we never know when the mailman's going to come. And so, sometimes you just have to embrace things. You have to embrace the positives, and you have to embrace the negatives. But they're just there. They're going to be there. It's going to happen in our lives. It's kind of like with the sickness. The sickness, I had not expected it, like I said, and I thought I was going to have a fantastic birthday week, and I have a birthday lunch scheduled for Friday with my girlfriends, and I'm not sure I'm even going to be up to it. And then Saturday's my birthday, so my hubby was going to take me out. But you know what? I could get upset about it, or I can just roll with the punches and realize that it's okay. The unexpected happens, and it'll be fine. I can always go out to dinner next week. I can see my girlfriends next week. But I just wanted to bring you to the unexpected today and show you my patio. I'm sure you were expecting a junk journal video of me showing you how to create something or put something in one of our tall, skinny journals. But I thought, I don't really have a whole lot of energy to do a whole project. But I can sit out here and I can talk a little bit and spend some time with you. And so I just appreciate just the opportunity to even be able to come out here and to share my oasis, my respite, my little piece of heaven with you, because this is where it all happens. This is why my channel is called Jennifer from the Patio, because of this. It is just a beautiful place. No, it's not anything special, and it may not look like anything special to you, but it's mine. And it's just a little piece of heaven that I can come out, and I like to ponder. I like to piddle. I like to just sit out here and enjoy the breeze and the sound of the rustling leaves. There's a beautiful elm tree in the next door neighbors to the left, and it is about 4 stories high. And you can hear it. If you pay attention, you can hear the rustling of the leaves. And it's just the most beautiful sound. And it'll get more ferocious than that whenever the winds really do pick up in November. And you can see in the distance my golden rain tree. I've told you about that, and it's just, I just think it's the most gorgeous thing. It starts out with these beautiful little yellow flowers with just a little spot of raspberry in them. And then they turn to pods, like you can see now. They're kind of waxy, and they're pink, little different shades of pink, and they're just marvelous. And so when I sit back here, I'm just like, I'm in awe of creation. I'm in awe of the different varieties of trees and plants and flowers and birds. We have a lot of birds that come and hang out at my bird feeder in the back, and squirrels and possums on occasion. Let's see, my husband, there was a little possum that lost her way from her mommy, and he named her Gertie. And so, but she lives across at the neighbors, underneath their patio, their I can't talk, but anyway, their patio over there. And so he got her and put her over there, and placed her back where she belongs. But we have all kinds of things back here, and it's just pretty. It really is. It's just pretty, and you can see the sky in the background, and I just have my favorite plants. I have my pentas to the left. I have pink and red, and then I have one that's white. I have a lot of my family heirlooms, if you will, from the house that I grew up in out here. The window to the left, as you can see leaned up against the brick wall, was a window from our house that I grew up in. I also have the back door to the right that I keep in the corner, nestled in the corner. And I have some little things. My dad was a welder, and so you can see he welded his name in a, you probably can't see it, but it says Stanley. And the chandelier that's hanging was my grandmother's, and it's weathered and worn, and I love it. I love it. It's not pristine, and it's not colorful, but I like it just the way it is. So I just thought I'd bring you back here and say hello, darling, and let you know how much I appreciate you. And it really has been an unexpected journey for me. If you look at other people and, that are getting large amount of views, and just, people that are watching their channel and whatever, they may look at what I have and think that it's a very small number. But I'm very grateful, and I don't take it for granted. I have 1,315 subscribers now, and I never even thought I'd get that, to tell you the honest truth. But I love that you guys show up, you're consistent, you love my freebies, and let me tell you, I love to share freebies with you. As a matter of fact, next week I have, it's probably going to be 2 weeks, but I have a freebie every day next week. So for you to make like a little 4 or 5 page journal, maybe a signature in a journal, and it's going to be grungy winter and grungy Christmas. Yes, I am so excited about it. The colors are vibrant. Everything is just fantastic and spectacular. So I'm really excited to share that with you next week. So I just want to say thank you and welcome to my patio. And when you hear me say that, you can kind of envision what it is that I'm talking about. So I hope you have a fabulous weekend. I plan on, getting all my spunk back by Monday and having all of those grungy Christmas and winter videos out for you. But I hope you stay healthy. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. And I shall see you next week. And I want you to remember, you only know what you know until you know something different. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.